Hi there, Cindy here. I'm following up on the discussion we were having about the emotional recovery after so much loss and devastation after the fires. And we were talking about grief. And I want to touch on some more about grief. And the reason that grief is so difficult is because it represents something that is so final, and something that is final is like a death. And it's natural to ruminate over the loss, but you can get stuck in it and going over it and over it. I will never put a timeline on you. I told you that, but a lot of times. If it goes on so long, you begin to lose your life. You lose the present moment. And I'm sure that you probably all have friends and loved ones still, and they're missing you. So that's just something to maybe pull you out of that. But something I wanted to share with you that I had experienced with grief. And everybody... loss is different to everybody. Everybody handles it differently, and one situation may be handled differently by another person. So in my case, it was something that hit me very hard, and it felt like I just didn't want to breathe after that point. Well, what happens in our life is that our life starts out as a biological type of existence. We live to find a mate. We live to build a career. We live to have a family. And those, we're governed by our circumstances. But what happens is, those things we establish, and then at about midlife, sometimes something devastating may happen, and I'm not saying that it's a good thing, but it can be a useful thing in your spiritual evolution. And what happens is that part of your life, or that you is gone. And it's an opportunity for Spirit, God, your higher power, whatever you want to call it. It's an opportunity for you to evolve and, dare I say, become the person that you were meant to be. And really, there's no other place to turn anymore. Your life's not governed by those circumstances, by spouse, by job, by the home and possessions that you had. So you really only have one place to turn, and that's inward or upward, or both. My cat's trying to help me with this video. Thank you. Anyway, I just wanted to add that. I hope that at some point in your healing that you can come from that perspective and become a whole new you, an evolved you, somebody that is far more than you would imagine yourself to be, from a source, a power that is far more intelligent than we are. And so I commend you if you find the courage and the strength to go that path. And God bless you.